Are you a fan of pizza and luxury watches? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're about to embark on a deliciously stylish journey as we delve into the Rolex Air-King Domino's collaboration. Imagine the perfect blend of Swiss craftsmanship and the artistry of hand-tossed pizza, coming together in an exquisitely designed wristwatch that pays homage to both brands' rich legacies. The Rolex Air-King Domino's collaboration embraces the spirit of adventure and innovation, much like the spirit of exploring new flavor combinations in the world of pizza. If you're excited about the blend of horological magnificence and the mouth-watering world of pizza, hit that like button to show your enthusiasm, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on extraordinary collaborations and innovative creations. Now let's dive into the flavorful realm of the Rolex Air-King Domino's collaboration. The backstory of the Domino's Pizza Rolex, a unique collaboration. Let us step back in time to the early 1980s when Domino's Pizza, known for its innovative approach to business, sought a distinctive way to motivate and reward its hardworking store managers. The idea was to offer them something extraordinary for achieving ambitious sales goals, a prestigious Rolex timepiece no less. But these were not just any Rolex watches. They were custom-made with the Domino's logo proudly displayed on the dial, creating a unique fusion of haute horology and fast food branding. The allure of these special Rolex watches was not only in their luxury and craftsmanship, but also in their symbolic significance. Reaching a weekly sales figure of $20,000 was the key to unlocking the opportunity to receive one of these prized timepieces. The presence of the iconic Domino's logo on the dial served as a visual representation of the collaboration between two renowned brands, celebrating the achievements of Domino's Pizza and the dedication of its managers. These exquisite watches didn't stop at the dial. They were personalized further to make each piece truly exclusive, engraving the recipient's names and the initials TSM, representing the CEO's initials, on the caseback added an intimate touch, elevating the sense of pride and exclusivity associated with owning one of these timepieces. As time went on and the partnership flourished, the collaboration took on a new dimension. Domino's Pizza raised the sales goal to an even more ambitious target: 4 consecutive weeks of achieving $25,000 per week in sales. This adjustment not only reflected the growing success of the promotion, but also the increasing aspirations of the managers. The journey to attain these coveted Rolex watches became a testament to hard work, determination, and excellence in driving sales and exceeding performance targets. With the demand for these exceptional timepieces on the rise, several hundred of these specially designed Domino's Rolex watches were produced annually. Despite the relatively high production numbers, the exclusivity of this collaboration, combined with the limited availability of these watches, led to a phenomenon of passionate collectors eagerly seeking to add these unique pieces to their treasured watch collections. 3 iterations of the Domino's Rolex Air-King, an evolution of design. Over the years, the design of the Domino's Rolex Air-King underwent captivating transformations, revealing the evolution of the partnership between Rolex and Domino's Pizza. First iteration, big simplistic logo at 6 o'clock. The debut iteration featured a bold and eye-catching Domino's logo positioned prominently at the 6 o'clock mark on the dial. The watch's design was intentionally kept clean and uncluttered, allowing the vibrant red and blue logo to stand out against the crisp white dial. This bold design choice ensured that the collaboration's essence was front and center, emphasizing the strong ties between the two iconic brands. Early 1990s. Smaller box logo at 6 o'clock. As the 1990s rolled in, the design of the Domino's Rolex underwent a subtle refinement. The second iteration showcased a smaller, more sophisticated box logo of Domino's Pizza at the 6 o'clock position. This modification exemplified the evolution of aesthetic preferences while maintaining the essence of the Domino's branding. The updated logo design retained its visual impact while presenting a more subtle representation of the collaboration. Mid-1990s, tilted logo at 6 o'clock. In the mid-1990s, the Domino's Rolex Air-King underwent a transformation that took its design to a new level of creativity. The third iteration featured a tilted Domino's logo at the 6 o'clock mark, introducing an element of dynamic flair to the watch's appearance. The logo's skewed placement added a sense of movement and energy to the timepiece, contributing to its modern and contemporary aesthetic. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying the fascinating story of the Domino's Rolex Air-King. And if you want to see more captivating content about watches and unique collaborations, remember to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Now let's dive back into the intriguing evolution of this extraordinary timepiece. The Domino's Rolex as a collector's piece, rarity and increasing value. The Domino's Rolex Air-King, with its unique branding and limited production, evolved into highly sought-after collector's items over the years. These watches, personalized for store managers who achieve significant sales milestones, acquired an almost mythical status among horology enthusiasts. In recent years, the Domino's Rolex Air-King has proven its worth as a coveted collector's piece. The auctions witnessed a significant surge in demand, with the prices skyrocketing to impressive heights. Notably, Christie's auction house saw one of these exquisite timepieces fetch an astounding $20,000, a testament to the watch's growing appeal and collectible value. Such remarkable price increases highlighted the Domino's Rolex Air-King's desirability among collectors and underscored its position as a treasure in the world of high-end timepieces. Continuing into 2021, the upward trend in auction prices for the Domino's Rolex persisted. The allure of owning one of these exclusive timepieces attracted fervent bidding at auctions, with prices reaching new heights. Notable sales of the Domino's Rolex Air-King included one watch selling for $17,500 and another achieving an even higher price of $22,000. These robust auction results further solidify the Domino's Rolex Air-King's status as highly sought-after pieces within the watch collecting community. Sibling brand Tudor and the co-branding trend, embracing collaboration. The immense success and fascination surrounding the Domino's Rolex Air-King may have even inspired Rolex's sibling brand Tudor to embrace the concept of co-branding. While Rolex discontinued such ventures, Tudor recognized the potential in collaborating with personalities and organizations to create limited edition timepieces that reflected their shared values. Tudor's co-branding journey witnessed unique partnerships with various figures and entities. They collaborated with British singer-songwriter Ed Sheeran to release a special edition watch, capturing the essence of his creative spirit and style. Moreover, Tudor partnered with David Beckham's Inter Miami CF soccer team to create a one-of-a-kind Tudor timepiece, celebrating the essence of sportsmanship and dedication. These collaborations proved to be a winning formula for Tudor, allowing the brand to tap into new markets and attract a broader audience while staying true to its reputation for crafting high-quality, reliable timepieces. In conclusion, the Domino's Rolex Air-King represents a captivating collaboration that merges luxury with fast food branding, bringing together two seemingly unrelated worlds in an extraordinary fusion of creativity. Each iteration of the watch showcases the evolution of this remarkable partnership, revealing the imaginative journey that led to the creation of these exceptional timepieces. As sought-after collector's items, the Domino's Rolex Air-King has proven its worth in the auction world, with prices that reflect the timepiece's rarity and desirability among enthusiasts. The allure of owning a piece of horological history that celebrates innovation and unique branding continues to attract passionate collectors from around the globe. And that wraps up our video. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think the Domino's Rolex Air-King is a stroke of genius or an eccentric blend? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which iteration of the watch stole your heart. The bold and simplistic design, the refined box logo, or the dynamic tilted logo. If you enjoyed this journey through horological history, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join the ever-growing community of watch enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more captivating stories, unique collaborations, and exclusive insights into the world of haute horology. Until next time, may your time be filled with wonders and your wrist adorned with exceptional timepieces. Keep ticking, keep exploring, and keep cherishing the art of timekeeping.